Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you my Miles Morales inspired webshooter. So let's begin. Okay, as you can see, it's black with a red spider, and you can also paint it another color if you want that. I just think it would be cool if it was red. I made it in Blender, and it took really long time, and there was so many prototypes, like very many prototypes. And it took so long time to print it, but I finally come up with this idea. I printed it, and it took really long time. You can maybe see it on the light, it's turned a little bit darker outside, and I was really happy with the result. And then I printed it again where it was standing up, and that's turned out so much better. And here's the result. That click noise, that is amazing. And another amazing thing is you can split it around. Like if this broke, you can print a new one and set it in, and it's so cool. It's really easy to fix if something broke, and I'm really happy with the result. So you can, of course, I will make a video down below where you can see how to make it and what you need to make it and stuff like that. So let's move on. It's test time now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, because that will mean the world to me. I'm working on a new model that might be a little bit better, and if you want to see when I make it, I'm gonna make it on Twitch, so you can go follow me on Twitch and see when I'm live. And see ya.